All right, hey everybody, it's Evan here from devascend.com, and in this video we're going to cover conditionals. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add a variable to the bottom of our script tag here and call this variable num, and I'm going to set it equal to 7. And now that we have that, let's go ahead and actually create our first conditional. So to create a conditional, it's actually similar to the way we created our each loop here. First, you're going to need curly braces, then we're going to type hashtag if. And now here is where we put our actual condition. So I'm going to say num is greater than 10. And now, of course, let's add a closing tag for our if check here. And then in here, I'm going to put a p tag. And we're just going to put greater than 10. And now if I go ahead and save this and we go to our browser, we're not going to see anything at the top. And that is because 7 is not greater than 10. So let's go ahead and put an else check now. And the way we do that is similar to the way we did it here in our each loop. We just put curly brace colon else, and then we're going to put if num is less than 10. And now here we can put our p tags here, and we can say less than 10. And now if we go ahead and look at our browser, we see up at the top here, it says less than 10. Make it a little bit bigger so you can see it. So now what if our variable was exactly 10, meaning it's not greater than 10 and it's not less than 10. And of course, if we run this, we're going to see nothing at the top here. We can actually put colon else, and here we can put a p tag that says equal to 10. Now, if we go to our browser, we're going to see it's equal to 10 because this statement here computed to false. This statement here computed to false. So we must run our else here. Now, if this was true or this was true, then it would print out this or this. However, since none of those are true, it's going to print out our else here. So let me go ahead and show an example of this with our cards here. I'm going to say hashtag if fruit dot amount is greater than, let's say, 4. And I'm going to add a closing tag right here. It is only going to display a card if the fruit amount is greater than 4. And you can see up here in our fruit array that apple and banana, both amounts are greater than 4. However, grape is less than 4. So in theory, this should only display apple and banana. And if we go to our browser, now we only see apple and banana. And of course, if we were to say less than 4, now we should only see grape. And that is true. And then just to show you the else example, if we do colon else, I'm going to just print out the amount for curly braces fruit.name is greater than or equal to 4. And now if we look here, we can see that for the first two cards, the amount is greater or equal than 4 for both of those. So it's just going to print out those p tags. But because grape actually met that condition here, it's going to print out our card that we have here. Anyway, that's going to do it for this video. I hope everything made sense. If you need any help, feel free to leave a comment down below, or you can join the devascend Discord server, and either myself or someone else will be able to help you out there. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.